Hi, I am about to show you PMO Helper, a script that was built to help with project management in enterprise. Imagine a company which deals with lots of different projects. In a regular company, this means that every day users will come to the IT department to ask for the creation of a discussion group, a website, mailing lists and shared folders. But with Google Apps, this is much more easy, because the user can perform these tasks alone. And using the power of AppScript, our app, PMO Helper, will integrate all the products in the Google Apps for Business suite. Sites, calendar, drive, documents, spreadsheets, groups, all are glued together to provide a unified project management office across the company. So let's get started. How does it work for the user? It's very simple. Here in the app portal, as a user, you can create some new project management tools. You only have to give two details. First, a project name, so here it can be Project South Pole, and then a list of initial collaborators, so I will add one collaborator, and then we hit the Create Project button, and the app itself will perform all the tasks in the background. So the first thing it will do is create a site and then create a calendar embedded in the site, create a group, create folders shared with all the collaborators, and create some apps embedded in the site that will help the management of the whole project. So when this is done, we get a confirmation message here that South Pole has been created, and we get it in the list of existing projects. So we can open in the link here our new site that has just been created. So let's explore it, starting with the very simple stuff, the calendar. A new calendar has been created for the project. It's embedded in one of the pages, and there is one little event for the creation of the project. Then there is the forum. This is a Google group that has been created with all the users added in the group as members, and this is the starting page of the group embedded in the site as well. Then there is a folder in your drive that is displayed here that will be shared with all the collaborators, and where you can put all the stuff regarding this project. It is displayed here, so South Pole has been created in your drive. You can explore it through this little visualization app, and you can also click on those to access directly these folders into your drive. Now from this visualization you can also see directly the files, such as the spreadsheets and sometimes the documents if you put any. One of those is a spreadsheet for the team. We can open it here, and we see the list of users, and we can add their names and roles. However, the preferred place to do this is in the dedicated page for the team into the site, where there is another app embedded. And here we can very simply add a new user, we can add some new information, and we can manage the team this way in a more easy way, because adding a user here makes everything automatic rather than having to share the site, share the documents, and share the group, for example. Now there are other documents that have been created here, such as, for example, a spreadsheet for the project plan. This is a Gantt chart. It can also be accessed here in tasks, where there is this spreadsheet embedded in the site, and you can open it through this link or from your drive or from this document list. And users of the project will fill this with all the tasks they have to do to build automatically a Gantt chart here. Then let's look at another of those spreadsheets that looks through the issues. This is it's empty for the moment because there are still no issues in our project, but we could fill, for example, here an issue that states that no issue is reported, and it will automatically give a date, a 0% advancement, and a nice red color, which changes if we change the advancement, and of course 100% will become green. And all this is reflected back here, so it's synchronized with this page. If we refresh it, the same thing happens when we refresh the Gantt chart in the tasks page. And lastly, there is a little app that takes care of building meeting reports. This is another script that is published here and will take all the info you give to produce automatically some meeting reports. So if the title is the kickoff, that's our first meeting, date is today, and participants, well, my other colleague came in with me. Then we want to put some content in our report, and if we submit the report, it will create a document in this hierarchy that was created for the folders. We also see it appear here, the kickoff meeting, and it has been created brand new with all this info. It also appears in the documents, so under the hierarchy it's in project status, I think. It's in minutes, and that's the kickoff. So same document open twice through diverse means. It of course also appears here in the minutes. And that's about it for this this brand new site. You can customize it when you deploy the thing to your own domain, and I hope this helps you build your own project management office in your company, so it becomes more easy to manage projects with AppScript and apps in general. I hope you enjoyed it.